My great-grandmother came from the Amalfi Coast in Italy, and she passed down a recipe for pesto sauce. And believe it or not, it takes all of these plants to make pesto sauce. And unfortunately, this is it. Every single summertime, we can make the pesto sauce. And we love to keep it growing all year round. In fact, grow tomatoes and lettuce, but we can't grow indoors because we don't have much light.
Right, and see, this is the problem that every gardener goes through at the end of the season. You're gonna miss that fresh flavor. But I do have an idea, maybe a solution for growing in any kind of light condition. So I've got something to show you. I see what you mean, Kevin. This kitchen's definitely really dark.
Yeah, we need some more light in here.
Yeah, the dark wood definitely brings it down, and the windowsill, there's not much room to put anything on it.
Precisely.
So my kitchen's exactly the same. So what I brought you today is this indoor grow system. And as you know, plants need water, sunlight, and food. And what this is going to do is replicate all three of those things. Inside here this is the water reservoir, and it's going to be filled with water, and it comes with 9 of these cups, and at the bottom of each cup is a wick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that wick is going to draw the water up from the reservoir and give adequate watering to the whole, each individual plant. So each of these, you pop off the top, and then you use one of the seed pods. So in this seed pod is food, which is fertilizer, the seed, and the soil. And then on top, we have these LED lights.
Our sunlight.
Well, yes, the sunlight. So this is going to mimic sunlight, and all you do is click it on top, and then it'll have the sunlight it needs. It'll mimic the outdoors.
Well, this is excellent.
So we brought today these 3 different types. We have tomatoes. Mm-hmm. This one's basil. I'm going to give that to you because you're the basil king. And this one is lettuce. So today we're growing tomatoes, lettuce, and basil, but the pods come in many different options. You could grow chili peppers or strawberries, you could grow herbs, and you could even grow flowers.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so these are the risers that the grow light is going to sit on. You insert yours at that end, and mine clicks in over here, but mine has the groove, which the wire will feed into, so it's not hanging everywhere. And then we take this grow lamp. Yep. And just like that. And then I'm going to feed this wire down the side to neatly tuck it away. Okay, Kevin, you want to grab those little mini domes, and what that's going to do is you put them on each of the pods, and it's going to act like a little mini greenhouse and help germination. So this is all set, and then we could just put water in it and then move it on over. All right, let's slide it back into place.
Yeah, that looks good.
All right, can you plug it in for me?
Sure.
Takes a minute. Ta-da! So this is on a timer. It's on for 16 hours, off for 8. Just when you restart it tomorrow morning, it would be great. Then you could go along with a natural daylight pattern. Another thing is you could take these domes off in about a week when you start to see germination, and then just save them for later for the next batch that you're going to grow. But otherwise, just make sure the water levels are appropriate and let it grow.
All right, I'll make sure to send you some pesto.
I look forward to that.
Thanks for coming over.
All right, thanks for having me. Happy growing.
Well, he was into it, huh?
Oh, he was definitely into it.
And is this the result?
This is after 6 weeks of growing.
That is so lush.
So yeah, we have the basil, we have the tomatoes, and we have lettuce. So this would be less leggy if you pinched it back more along the way. These are all the yellow flowers ready to pop out, the little cherry tomatoes.
Each one of those will be a tomato?
Yeah, isn't that great?
Very cool. And there's your breakfast.
Yep, and this is my breakfast, ready to go.
Did he make good on his promise?
He did.
Did he really?
I brought you some right here. Little pesto action.
You brought some bread so we can go in?
Yep.
Grandma's recipe. Let's
This
see
is
how
Amalfi
it did.
Coast style right here. Let me know, see what you think.
Oh, wow, it's really good. Wow. Is that
He
lemon?
liked using lemon.
Is it?
That was like one of the key of his secrets.
That's Grandma's secret? Mm-hmm. All right, don't tell anybody. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.